Greetings, and welcome to the Lindbergh School District Elite 1 training videos. This video will cover Microsoft Word 2007 Clip Art. In this video, we'll be working with the paragraph group within the Home tab on the toolbar. Just like in any of the editing within Microsoft Word, if you want to change some kind of formatting, you need to select the text that you wish to format. Once you have text selected, you can alter the alignment. We have left, center, right, and justified alignments that you can choose for your text. In creating your paragraphs, you have the standard indent where you hit the tab button to move the first line over approximately 5 spaces. Within Microsoft Word, there are buttons for the paragraph formatting that you can decrease or increase the indent. By doing so, you can move either the first line or the entire paragraph over to the left or right about 5 spaces for each click. Another way to alter the indent of the paragraph is to go up on the ruler toolbar and click and drag the little hourglass or little square icon to the left or to the right, and it will move that particular margin indent over to the marked space. If you wish to indent the right side of your paragraph, you won't be able to use the decrease or increase indent buttons. You'll have to use the margin marker at the top of the ruler. By doing so, you can increase the indent over to the left from the right side. What you may notice, between the lines of your paragraph on your page, there's a little extra space. By default, Microsoft Word is set to about 1.5 point spacing between your lines. You can adjust this by going up to the line spacing button and clicking on that to adjust to your desired spacing point. Many people prefer the single spacing, the 1.0 spacing. If you wish to edit one paragraph within your document, simply place the cursor within that paragraph and make your changes. If you wish to make a change to every paragraph within your document, you'll need to select the whole thing. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl A, and that will select everything within your document. You can then go and make your changes as you see fit. There's also a small little square box on the paragraph group title. This little square box will open the dialog box for paragraph formatting. This dialog box is very similar to the Microsoft Word 2003 format. It allows you greater access and greater abilities to alter and edit your paragraph formats and styles. To open it, simply click on the box and it opens a dialog. There's also a box that says, "Don't add spacing between paragraphs of the same kind." Basically what this will do is drop out the extra space that Microsoft Word 2007 places within your document when you press the Enter key. If there's some settings that you wish to have on every document that you create, you can make your setting changes here and then click the default button. By clicking this, you'll be altering the default template that Microsoft Word 2007 uses to create every new document within it. If you say yes, then you'll be able to use these settings on every Word document that you create. When you are finished making your setting changes, go ahead and click the OK button to return to your document. Within Microsoft Word, you can also add borders and shading to your paragraphs, either collectively to all of them or individually to one at a time. To make the changes, simply place your cursor within the paragraph that you wish to edit. Then go up to the paragraph group on your toolbar, click the Borders button, and simply choose the type of border that you wish to have on your paragraph. Once you've made your selection, you can see the border that appears around your paragraph. To enter the Borders and Shading dialog box, go up to your Borders button, and at the very bottom there is a Borders and Shading option that you must choose. This will take you to the dialog box to edit or change your borders and shading for your paragraphs. Within the dialog box, you have many different options that you can choose to do. To add the borders, simply click on the space around the example paragraph and you'll see example lines or example borders showing up around that paragraph. When you're finished, just click the OK button and it will make the changes to your paragraph. You can even add shading or coloration to your paragraph to make it stand out even more or to add even more emphasis to it. To do so, go up to the Borders and Shading dialog box once again, and this time click the Shading tab. Here you will see a Fill option where you can choose what kind of color to fill it with. You can also add different patterns to your document or to your coloration to give it an even better effect. When you have made your choice, go ahead and click the OK button, and the shading is then applied to your paragraph. Within the font group, there's a button that says Clear Formatting. You can use this to clear the formatting out of anything that you have already changed, whether it's characters or fonts specifically, or your paragraph or document as a whole.